Namaskara Bangalore. My name is Danis and you're watching Legacy Smart Space. Today I'm going to discuss about Nico Home 7 and 8, which one is better and whom to consider and not. If you are planning to buy a home or invest in Bharti City, one of the biggest questions today is. Before that, I wanted to tell you why Bharti City Nico Homes you should consider as a home buyer. Bharti City's main motive is not to sell the apartment but give you a better lifestyle. As we know, धनी चंद्रा में 135 एकड़ का टाउनशिप प्रॉपर्टीज है जहाँ पे you will get everything within one umbrella like schools, retail space and Bharti City Mall and tech parks and Leela Residence. उस प्राइम लोकेशन में काफ़ी वाइड रोड बनाया है इन्होंने. Really it's appreciable. You know the best part? Bharti City is offering a very good price compared to the market in Nico Home 7 or Nico Home 8. A spacious room. And not only that, the property is all about the locations. If you see the locations of both the properties, 7 is in Sadahalli, close to metro, 900 meters away, opposite to the tech parks. Nico Home 8 is bang on Thani Chandra main road, close to city. That is why in Sadahalli Nico Home 7, Phase 1, Phase 2 got sold out in just 4-5 months of launch. So now Phase 3 is in pre-launch. Yes, we do have inventory. We'll discuss on it. Now come to the topic. Should you buy Nico Home 8 or Nico Home 7? Yes, both the properties good. Depends on your requirements and plan. If you're looking for proper investment to shift after 4 years and you want a better connectivity, then I would suggest you for high returns ROI. Nico Home 7 is the best options, believe me. Why best options? Because within the campus you are getting Bharti City Chaman schools. Land parcel is a 30 acres opposite to the Prestige Tech Cloud office spanning in 33 acres. Recently Walmart taken 1 lakh square feet. This property 900 meters away from upcoming metro station Dodh-Jala Blue Line will be operational in 2027 as per the government commitment, but will take time. Okay, Prestige Forum Mall which is under construction at Sadahalli Signal. So you have school, tech parks, mall, everything. For proper investments, still price is not yet revised because phase by phase is launched in just 1 and 2 months of gap. That is why the price is same 1 to 2 lakh is a difference. Nico Home 8 is good for the self buyer. They don't want to go far from the city. They want to limit within the city limit to easily go Yalhanka in 5 minutes, Hebal in 10 minutes and all. In Nico Home 8 they can expect more rental yield because Thani Chandra, as we know, the rental yield market is very on higher side. If you are already aware about the Nico Home 7 and Nico Home 8 and you already visited but not getting right deals and the units and the price, I want you to connect me in this given number. I will help you by next level to give you the better price compared to the market. If you don't have belief, you can call me now. Thank you so much for watching Legacy Smart Space. Thank you.